and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming today and so excited to be sharing with y'all this really achievable little natural little look. So all these products that I use today are Farmasi products, and I just started selling the products the beginning of March. So this has been my first full month with the company and I love it. These products are amazing. They sell themselves. They are products that don't break the bank. I'm telling y'all, we have 6 different foundations and not one is more than like $25. It's awesome. We have so many different things to choose from a baby line, a cosmetic line, a skincare line. We got everything, y'all. So y'all be sure to check my link out in the down bar. If you have any questions, let me know in the description or the comments below, or you can feel free to message me via my email, my beauty group, my Instagram page. I will have all those listed down below, so y'all can contact me through whichever one that you prefer. But I am going to stop talking and let y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all like it, and let's go. Alright, so first we are going to start with our face. Typically, if I was just going to do like a more of a glam look, I would of course do my eyes first. But because this is more of like a natural look, I don't want to go super crazy. This is just going to be, like I said, a simple look that is very wearable for the summer. If you are a college student, a high schooler, like no matter your age, like anybody can wear this makeup. That's what I love about it. It's makeup that doesn't break the bank. It's awesome. It's all safe for your skin. We even have products that are gluten-free. So if y'all are interested in any of that, find one of my social medias below and you can message me. I would love to chat with y'all because I want to tell everybody about this makeup because it is so good. So like I said, we're going to start with our face. Okay, so for primer today, we're going to use our VFX. This is our illuminating primer. Now we do have 2 different primers to choose from. We have the illuminating one, and then we also have the regular one. And this is really good if you want your pores and your pores filled in and you want more of like a smoother and a matte finish. But if you are like me and you like more of a dewy look, or maybe you have drier skin and you don't really want that extra matte coverage, this is phenomenal for y'all. It smells so good. Like, I've got my mama hooked on it. I love it. All of the products really do smell that good. So we are going to take a squirt of this, and you know, since we're doing a like more of a natural look, you don't really have to take a lot of it. But on the daily, I will take maybe 2 pumps just because I like to have that extra glow to my skin. But like I said, on a normal day-to-day basis, for just an everyday look, you definitely do not have to go so crazy, y'all. Any of this makeup, I mean, whether you're a mom or a college student or a grandmother, like this makeup is perfect for everybody. Even if you're, you know, just kind of dipping into makeup and you don't want a lot and you don't want to go out and spend like $50 on a foundation. I know we're all guilty of doing that. I am. If y'all have watched any of my previous videos, y'all know that I have tried so many different foundations, from drugstore to prestige, and this makeup does not break the bank. Like, we have 6 different foundations and not one of them is more than $25. So it is really good. So we just went in and we primed with our VFX primer, and next we're gonna go in with our CC cream. Now the CC cream is my all-time favorite, y'all. The difference between the BB cream and the CC cream is the BB cream is a beauty balm, so it's more of a tinted moisturizer. It does have SPF in there. So if you are going to the water park or the beach, the BB cream is really great for you because it has a little bit of coverage, but it's not going to be like super full coverage. However, the CC cream is a color corrector, so if you have acne scarring or redness or any of those type of things, the CC cream is great because it will hide all the redness and it has really great coverage. So you can wear it alone like I'm probably going to do today, or you can easily wear it underneath foundations. I have customers who do it either way. They wear it alone like I do, but sometimes I will mix it in with a different foundation, and then some people will wear it for extra coverage with another foundation like underneath it. But there are so many different ways that y'all can wear this, but the CC cream is only $16.90 plus tax and shipping, so it's not that bad it's a really great price. So got my CC cream, and we're just going to go ahead and blend this all on our face. Sometimes I will take 1 or 2 pumps, but since we're just going to go for a natural look, I just did 1 pump. We don't have to go so crazy. What we are going to do is we're going to take our face sculpting palette. So this is what it looks like. So you have a light powder in the front, and then you have 2 contour shades on the other end. So you can use this for contour, or you can use this as bronzer, kind of whatever you wanted to use. I do it like both. We do have a contour stick, so if you prefer that, we do have that option. But I have always preferred powders over liquid anything when it comes to like contouring or anything like that. So I like to use this. So we're going to take this color right here, and we're going to pop it underneath our under eyes where we just use that concealer. And this will help it to set. And not crease throughout the day. And this will also help keep our under eyes really bright. Like I was telling y'all a few seconds ago, how I always like a bright under eye. This helps a lot. So I'm just taking like a little Real Techniques little beauty blender and pressing that in. So once we got that already set into our face, this next step is optional. If you like a dewy finish, y'all could easily just like stop and then not have to set the rest of our face. But I prefer, I'll make sure I'm blending this on my neck. I prefer to use a face powder and to set the rest of the face where we just used the foundation from earlier. So we are going to set this all over the face where we just, like I said, did the foundation with the CC cream. And now I'll just like take my brush, I'll either like circle it like this, or I'll actually, you know, press it in my skin. But it's definitely optional. And the face powders also come with like a little sponge, so if you don't have a brush, you can easily just do this, just rub it in there. I don't really prefer to use these, but I know some people prefer them, so there is that option to do that if you don't have a brush on hand. Okay, so we're going to dip back into the face sculpting palette, and we're taking the contour shades, and we're going to do a light contour, and then we're also going to use this for our eyeshadow. So we're only going to use the brown shade to do that. So this is really good if you want some more like shaping to your face or some color. We also have a actual bronzer, but I like how light and seamless that this is. So we're gonna do this. Next, I'm gonna find the brush that I used yesterday. Probably not gonna happen because I don't know where I put it, but we're gonna take a EcoTools double-sided brush, and we are going to take one of the end, dip it into the brown powder, and we're just going to pop this in the crease of our lid, like so. And it doesn't give you too much color. It just gives you the perfect amount for that, you know, on the go look. And this is definitely a look that y'all can like amp up and do more like a day to night look. Y'all can definitely add like more color. But for blush today, we're gonna use our number 6 blush. Just so y'all know, all of our blushes are at $9.90. So they are super affordable, very pigmented. I love them. So we're just gonna pop this on the apples of our cheeks. I will sometimes take it up here. My all-time favorite part is highlighter. I love highlighter. I typically tend to overuse it, but it's my favorite. So we do have a 3-colored highlighter palette, and we're going to take this color right here. The camera will zoom in. Y'all, look at that. It is so glowy. I am obsessed with it. Whew, y'all, look at that. Tip of our nose, Cupid's bow. I'll do it underneath my chin, above the brow bone. And then what I'm going to do, since we did our eyes very basic, I'm going to go in with that color on my finger, and we're going to pop that in the inner corner and kind of work that a little bit on the lid, just so our eyes look super bright and not so dead. So we're going to take this and then just with our finger just blend it right there, and that's just the eyeshadow. It's super simple, nothing too precise, just pop some color on and you can call it goods. Alrighty, so the next step, we are going to do our mascara. And if y'all have watched me for a while, y'all know that I always coat my lashes with lash primer before I do any type of mascara. I have done this trick for years now, excuse me. I have done it for years, and I have just found that it works better. My lashes are stronger, they're longer. Not that it's a lash growth, but it just, when I take my makeup off at night, I have always been guilty of pulling my lashes when you take it off, but not this. But this is not Farmasi. This is the only product that I use today that's not going to be Farmasi. This is just a L'Oreal, their Lash Paradise primer. And we're just going to coat this as if we were applying our mascara. It's going to go on white and then it will dry. Now, some people will wait until it dries to apply their mascara, and then some people don't. I prefer to wait till it dries because it tends to let the mascara get tacky, and it's just better to work with when it's dry. When it's wet, it's like the lashes kind of or the lash primer just doesn't seem to work as well. I don't really know how to explain it, but I just like to let it dry. So I had just finished applying our lash primer, and we're going to move on with our mascara. We have maybe 6 or 7 different mascaras to choose from, and the different ones give you length, volume, a little bit of both. But my favorite combo, if y'all have followed me on my Instagram page, which you totally should, I have been loving our Zen mascara, which is only $8.90. Shocker, y'all. That's amazing. So the Zen mascara gives me plenty of length, and then the Extreme Curl mascara, which is $14.90, gives me plenty of volume. So you put them paired together and it's like spider lashes. I love it. Now, you don't have to make them look like spider lashes, but I'm extra like that, so the longer the lashes, the better for me. So I have always applied mascara on the bottom lash line first. I don't know why, but I do. So that's what we're going to do with. And so I do the Zen mascara first, let it dry. Once it's dry, top and bottom, we will go in with the Extreme Curl mascara. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's so long. I love it. Okay, so here are our lashes. This was one coat of our Zen mascara that cost you only $8.90. So long. I love it. Cannot recommend it enough. I used to pay like 30 bucks for mascara, but not with Farmasi. I don't, because like I said, it don't break the bank. Now, like I said a few seconds ago, we are going to let the Zen mascara sit and dry, but I typically like to take the time while it's doing that and move on to our lips. So we're going to line our lips with one of our lip liners, and this is in the 215, and I am just going to line them, kind of blend it out just a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. On like natural days, I won't really overline them. But this is definitely something that y'all do not have to do, especially if it's more of like a natural look for you. You don't have to do this much. And we are taking our liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the color 01. I'm just applying it. And then we're going to take number 102, which is Cool Pink. Pop it on the center. Let that dry. And then I like to go in with our concealer, and I like to ombre it out. Now, like I said, this is not the most super natural look, but when I keep my eyes really simple, I like to do more with my lips. Don't know about y'all, but I do. So I will put concealer on the lips and ombre it out. It's like my favorite trick that I found out how to do. Okay, so since we let that dry, we're going to go back with mascara, the Extreme Curl, and we're just going to coat our lashes one final time. I mean, look at that. How gorgeous, y'all. It's kind of hard not to get it on my eyelids because I always get mascara on my eyelids. It's like, literally cannot help it. And then we're going to find these, move the one up, and then I'll go back in with our eyeshadow brush that we use and kind of fill in those spots that we might have got mascara on the lid. We got the bottom lash line, and then do the other one. We got these long lashes. Okay, and the final step that we're going to do today is we're going to set our face. Setting is really important, especially in the summertime if you're going to the beach or the water park, or if you're going to go hike somewhere and you want to make sure that your makeup sets in throughout the day. Make sure you have setting spray. We have two different ones to choose from, but today I'm using our Be-Fit. This is our new line. So it's really great if you are like active in sports or the gym and you want to wear makeup, but then you don't want to wear a lot, but you want it to stay on. The Be-Fit line is phenomenal. We're going to spray that in, let it soak up in there. And then I will take that same beauty blender that we did our powder with and finish by pressing it in to our skin underneath our eyes, and then all around. And here's an up close of the finished product. So I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look. You can definitely tone it down however much you need to, but when I go for a more of a super natural look, I like to bump up my lips or do a little bit something crazy. But like I said, you can definitely do more than this. You can definitely tone it down for more of a daily look. But I just wanted to share with y'all just a little simple, like this is a natural inspo look. If you liked it, be sure that y'all thumbs up the video. Be sure you subscribe to my channel. And then also go in the description box. You can find my link and you can find all these products that I use today on that link. If you have any questions, you can message me via any of my social media links. Those are listed down below. My Instagram, my Facebook group, all them fun stuff. So you can click those, message me, email me, whatever you need to do, and I will be happy to answer your questions, your color match, or whatever you really need to do. But yeah, this was a finished look. Next week I'm going to come on and hopefully do more of like a little glamorous look. I have been doing a lot of eyeshadow looks, so I do want to use some of our eyeshadows to show how to do that. But this is all for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.